Well, today I made a cursed spacebar and I wanted to share that with all of you. I got this new mold and I was super excited and things were going smoothly until right about now when they all started to go wrong. Here you can see me overfilling the mold with all these tiny trinkets I got. Everyone get back in the pool. Yep, you go there, you go there. Nothing to see here. Get in. Okay, hit it with a little UV. And then here you can see me overfilling this mold. Yep, put more resin on there. We did not have enough to begin with. Get the little bubbles out. That's important. Squish. Okay, and here you can see the solid block of UV resin that I made in the shape of kind of a spacebar. Take the back off, and then 10 minutes with a flush cutter and some sandpaper later, we have a lumpy and crooked spacebar.